Hello Candia! Welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking only here on Wake Up Ilocos. So due to the popular demand of my vegan dishes, I am here again to bring you another vegan dish, a quick and easy one, and it's called Quickie Aubergine Galore. So you're wondering why it's called Aubergine Galore. It's basically eggplant. So for today, we're just gonna do some simple eggplant dish na pwede nyong i-alternate sa mga vegan dishes nyo na ayaw nyo na. So first off, we're gonna start cutting some onions. So again, for this dish, I'm using red onions kasi mas powerful at saka mas yung aroma ng ating red onions kaysa sa ating regular white onions. And same goes with our garlic. We're just gonna use about 3 cloves. So guys, ito kaya ko siya tinawag na Quickie Aubergine Galore kasi this one takes about roughly around 4 to 5 minutes to prepare and to cook. So pag may mga biglaang dinner, or pag mga type na kayo ay in a rush, ito ang iyong pwedeng lutuin. We're just gonna add a little amount of oil. Just enough to cover our pan. So hintayin lang natin mag-heat up ito. And while waiting for that, set this aside. And then let's start conjuring our aubergine. So this, I'm going to do this for presentation lang. It doesn't necessarily mean na ito ang gagawin nyo. It depends on you guys kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin. So I'm just gonna cut this lengthwise. Right there. So I think our pan is mainit na. And we're just gonna add our onions and garlic. Isuswet lang natin siya konti. So pag nakita nyo na medyo translucent na ang iyong onions and garlic, saka natin ilalagay ang ating jufran. I'm using today jufran sauce. This is actually Asian inspired since I'm using sweet chili sauce. So very Asian siya. And more likely, Filipinos would like to eat this kasi we're more on the Asian cuisine na na-adapt. I'm just gonna add about 1/4 cup of our Jufran sauce, sweet chili sauce. And let's just let this simmer for around a minute or 2. And we are going to add our eggplant na itong side. Pataob muna. So if you put this on high heat, it tends to be very soft na. So ako lang kasi I'd like to put it on medium para even yung cooking sa loob at labas. Kasi itataob rin natin ito mamaya for the other side. So let it simmer for a minute in each side. So just make sure na ina-absorb niya ang ating sweet chili glaze. Tapos, another minute on the other side. Ayan. As you can see, medyo na-absorb na niya ang glaze natin. So, kailangan lang natin i-cook siya on the other side. Para naman even cooking. Actually guys, kung ayaw nyo yung may balat siya, pwede nyo namang balatan una, tapos yun, mas madali pa siyang lutuin pag ganun. So pag nakita nyo ng ganyan, add lang tayo, again, my favorite spice, cayenne pepper for a little kick sa ating dish. And of course, black pepper. And halo lang natin siya. So guys, this is done. I'm ready to plate it na. So again, this is very easy to make. Ayan. Ang ating Quickie Aubergine Galore. So here it is guys, our Quickie Aubergine Galore. Very easy to make and very flavorful. As you can see, ginawa lang natin kanina is hinat lang natin yung eggplant, tapos nag-add lang tayo ng onions and garlic, tapos sinimmer lang natin siya sa Jufran sauce. So here it is, guys. Try this at home and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So for more recipes and tips, join me again next time on another episode of What's Cooking only here on Wake Up Ilocos.